guys, in this video we are going to solve one problem on Newton's forward difference formula. Okay, so obtain the interpolation quadratic polynomial for the given data by Newton's forward difference formula. Okay, so fine, we generally use Newton's forward difference formula for solving almost all the questions. So y values are given and the corresponding x values are given, corresponding y values are also given in the question. Okay, now you have to form a table, difference table. So start with x, y. Okay, x values we know 0, 2, 4, 6. Y values also is given -3, 5, 21, 45. Okay, now to find delta y. Okay, delta y naught, y1 and all. So delta y we need to find. So it is basically this minus this, down one, or the second one minus the first one. Okay, so you have to just subtract this. And remember one thing, it is not like that you have to subtract the bigger number by the smaller number. Okay, it's basically the down one, lower one minus the upper one. Next, lower one minus upper one, lower one minus upper one, or second one minus first one, third, second, like that. Okay, so basically 5 minus of -3, so it's basically 8, right? And 21 minus 5, it is 16. 45 minus 21, it is 24. Now again you have to form next table, that is delta square y. 16 minus the down one, lower one minus upper one. 16 minus 8, 8. 24 minus 16, 8. Now you have to form the third table, that is delta cube y. So delta cube y, last values, that is 8 minus 8, that is nothing but 0. Okay, it is not necessary that you will end up with 0 only. Okay, so basically you have to understand x is there, x values, corresponding y values were given. So basically this is, understand, this is nothing but x0, x1, x2, x3. This is y0, y1, y2, y3. Okay, here it is nothing but 8 is delta y0, then delta y1, delta y2. Here delta square y0, delta square y1. Here delta cube y0. So basically you have to understand, here we are using only these values, the upper values, so all the diagonal elements we can see. We will be using in the formulas only these values. Okay, and y0 will be using. Fine. So after forming the table, next thing you have to just substitute these values in the formula. Before that, you need to find the value of p. So to find the value of p is nothing but x minus x0 by h. Now h is nothing but the width. So in the screen you can see the table. Okay, so basically width is nothing but what, 2 minus 0 and all. So it is, width is nothing but, you have to do x1 minus x0, or you can do x2 minus x1. Any of this you can do. Basically Newton's formula, forward bias formula, is applied for only the equal intervals. So either you can do this thing or this thing. Okay, you'll find the same answer. Basically x1 minus x2 x0, when you do, you will get it as what, 2. So gap between the terms will be 2. Okay, now just substitute here. So x value we don't know, in the question it is not asked. We have to find the quadratic polynomial, so hence it is not given. So x minus x0 is nothing but what, 0 by h is 2. Fine. So our p value will be x by 2. So we got the p value. Now we have to just substitute in the formula. Okay, So formula is nothing but y is equal to y naught plus delta y naught. P is a p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factor into vector square y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 3 factorial p minus 2 is also there into delta cube y naught. Okay, plus so on. So this is the basic formula for Newton's forward interpolation formula. Okay, basically to remember this formula you can do one thing, that is we're taking the first value of y naught, delta square y naught. When we are using delta y naught, one p value will be coming, one term. Okay, here we are using 2 factorial, square is also there, two terms will be using p minus 1, 2 terms. Here you can see 3 factorial, cube is there, 3 and 3 terms we are using. Fine, in this way also you can remember. Fine, so we have to just substitute the value of these all things. Okay, so basically, so y naught is nothing but what, minus 3, first value of y, okay, and plus p we know that is nothing but x by 2, we just calculated it. Y naught is nothing but first value of y, that is 8, plus x by 2 p into x by 2 minus 1 into delta square y naught, that is nothing but 8. Okay, by 2 factor. Now plus, so p into p minus 1 into this delta cube y naught. Since the delta cube y naught value is 0, okay, so no need to substitute. Anyways, it is a multiplication, so no need to substitute, it will be 0. Okay, now basically you have to simplify these terms. Minus 3 plus this thing, so this get cancelled, 4s are, okay, so you get minus 3 plus 4x. This you have to simplify, you will get it as 2 factorial is nothing but 2 4s are get 2 4s are, it's get cancelled, and you will get it as x into x minus 2. Okay, now just simplify this thing, you will get it as answer as x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so this is the final answer, that is nothing but y. So we got the quadratic polynomial, so this is the answer.